Welcome to the webinar. We have 73 participants. Thank you for joining webinar with Value Stocks. This is Vikash Kandoi from Value Stocks, Head of Research. We'll be discussing some of the great topics today. How to find quality stocks. Okay, who all are interested in knowing how to find quality stocks? Markets are roaring. I think most of you must be enjoying the rally. Anybody who is repenting because they have not invested in market till now? Good evening everyone. So कोई ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने इस बुल रन में इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं किया हुआ है and are not enjoying the bull run and are repenting कि what had happened, why have we not invested? Is global fear is over? We'll discuss that, Lavneet ji. Seems like. Yeah, we'll be using both, Anthony ji. Okay. So we have 96 people invested, sir. So are you enjoying your investments? Jinendra ji, are you enjoying your investment? Very happy with the stocks released on 22nd February. Thank you, Dinesh ji. So we must be having some of around 60-70 new people who all are new, who have never joined Value Stocks webinar and has joined first time. Okay, Vinod Kumar ji is new. Thank you for confirming. First time. Kumara ji new. Anthony ji is new. First time. New. Many new people. Thank you for joining. Thank you for showing interest in us. Thank you for coming, sir. Okay, that's great. Many new people has joined. Okay, so for all the new people now, so those who have attended us earlier, I would request. Okay, thank you, Dinesh ji. Thank you for the appreciation, Dinesh ji. So those who have joined first time, I would request them to provide some information. How do you take trades? How do you invest in market? How do you decide to buy a particular stock? What are the parameter you see? It can be anything. It can be news, TV, media, anything you want. So Ajay Pandey ji has given SMA. Okay, CNBC. Gap up, gap down. For investment, I want for investment. Anybody who's looking at fundamentals through friend RSI. Okay, indicators. Okay, second time your webinar is very fruitful. Thank you, sir. Thank you for. So fundamental, what fundamental are you looking at? Those who are using fundamental as a tool to invest in stock market. Okay, Alok ji, your search will end here, sir. Alok Kapoor ji, you will get to know how to select quality stocks, how to find quality stocks. Okay, candlestick chart. Somebody is writing support resistance, which are undervalued. Fundamentals with 5-year view. Fundamental like EPS. It should be fundamental, but not no. Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity. Okay. I'm not able to understand chart. No issue. Volume, chart, website. I think EPS. You think EPS. Okay. EPS, P, ROE, ROC. Okay. P ratio, last quarter results. So most of you have given somehow you people may not be knowing the exact formulation to find out quality stocks, quality stocks, but somehow you all know in bits and pieces, you all know that how to get to that quality stocks, but you need to have combination of fundamental parameters to get to that one strong quality stocks. Now what is the attributes of quality stocks? What do you think? Quality stocks hote kaise? Let me understand. Let me understand from you all what is quality stocks. कि कैसे होते हैं quality stocks? Good earning, okay, that is one thing. But like quality stocks लेने से फायदा क्या होता है? What is the benefit of buying quality stocks? What is the benefit of buying quality stocks? Fundamentally strong, that is okay. What is the benefit of buying quality stocks? Why one should only buy quality stocks? Liquidity, okay. Growth, high return, regular growth, okay. Won't affect in volatile market. Thank you, whoever has written that. So friends, it's very important. It's very important. There is one very good saying in Hindi. I will not be repeating that proverb or all, but it says that there's one story behind the thing. Like it says that please, a person requests God that please provide me a small amount of tough life, my small time frame of tough life, so that in that tough time I can better understand my quality friends. Are you getting me, friend? मुझे कुछ तकलीफ के दिन भी देना, उस समय में मैं अपने क्वालिटी फ्रेंड्स को भी जान सकूंगा, क्योंकि जो क्वालिटी फ्रेंड्स होंगे वही आपको तकलीफ के दिनों में हेल्प करेंगे. Similarly, in the stocks which are holding, which are not falling much and falling market, those are true stocks to invest in. So it's very important. In rising market all stocks rises, but in falling market who are falling less, it's very important. Okay. And so this is one thing. This should be the focus while selecting quality stocks. So we'll be going inside how to find a quality stocks. We'll be doing that. For that I have understood most of your understanding. How do you all trade? So friends, before going to how do we select quality stocks, would you like to know from the voice of a greatest investor in the world? Anybody? We have 167 people in the group. So who is the greatest investor in the world? Warren Buffett. Would you like to know Warren Buffett? Surely. So would you like to listen from him? What does he say about bull market? That what takes stock prices up? Would you like to know, friends? What takes stock prices up? Why stock market is going up? I'm getting only 2-3 yeses, so that will not make me happy to show you that that greatest video of greatest investor. Only 5-6. Okay, 5-7. So let us see what does he say. So friends, please listen to his video where he clearly explained how does bull market continues and how the price of the stocks. He has explained that only 3 factors take stock prices up. So let me show you that.
The two big factors are, well, there's 3 big factors. One is the improved return on equity, which was a fundamental factor that pushed stock prices up. 2 is the decline in interest rates that pushed stock prices up. And then finally, stock prices advancing themselves brings in buying. It doesn't go on forever, but it creates its own momentum to some extent if you have these underlying factors that started to push it along. So I would say 2 of the 3 factors are fundamental, and the third is a market type factor that bull markets do feed on themselves. And I think that you've seen some evidence of that. But I don't think that any specific, the 401k factor or whatever it may be was it by itself. But I do think money is pouring into mutual.
If you can, anybody, if you can write on chat, what did you understand with this small video of Buffett? Whether the video was interesting, friends? Yeah. Okay, we'll explain that. So whoever have understood, so he has clearly said that a return on equity, there were only few people who said about return on equity. Okay, improved return on equity. So that means the company should be earning higher return on equity. Very less people or very less investor look at improved return on equity or return on equity. Investors do not see as return on equity. So friends, return on equity बहुत ही ज्यादा important factor है to define a quality stock, to decide on a quality stock. Second, he said interest rate, lower interest rate. So what is the interest rate of India right now? It's 4%. Repo rate. Okay, जब भी ब्याज दर कम होगी, ब्याज दर अगर बाजार में कम होगी, रिटर्न इक्विटी अगर हायर होगी कोई स्टॉक्स में, कोई भी कंपनी का, तो वो कंपनी बहुत ही पावरफुल, फंडामेंटली स्ट्रांग होगी. तो एक इकोनॉमी हो गया, दैट इज इंटरेस्ट रेट. देन stocks own fundamental, that is a return on equity. And third factor which he suggested is, the third factor which he said is the stocks own momentum. Stocks moving up, the prices are going up day by day. So these are the three factors which take stock prices up. From the greatest investors of all time, he has summed up quality stocks and trend of market in a small understanding, in a quick understanding. So did you like this that video? अजय सिंह जी, हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में बात करने का. So that would not be possible for to talk only in Hindi. Okay, request don't pass those comments. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so are we understanding? So now friends, what we have done, now coming back to us, we are from value stocks. So most of you may not be knowing us now, and we are doing very well now in finding quality stocks. We are having a history of last 1.5 years in which we are catering many investors, small investors, to find quality stocks, to invest in a quality stocks. So friends, how do we do that? So what we have done, looking at all those videos or reading books of these great people, we have found out that there are 4 factors that gives a quality stocks, that helps in identifying quality stocks. Now, what are these 4 quality factors? These 4 factors are sales growth, profit growth, high return on equity, that is above 15, return on equity above 15, and positive free cash flow with low debt or no debt. Okay friends, anybody who did not understand? हम लोग 4 फैक्टर देखते हैं टू फाइंड आउट कि क्वालिटी स्टॉक खोजने के लिए, अच्छे स्टॉक्स को इन्वेस्ट करने आने के लिए इन्वेस्टर्स को. वो 4 फैक्टर है: सेल्स ग्रोथ, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी ग्रेटर देन 15 एंड पॉजिटिव फ्री कैश फ्लो. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, तो ये 4 फैक्टर बहुत ही ज्यादा पावरफुल फैक्टर होते हैं. नाउ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो यू एनी स्लाइड नाउ. First of all, I need you people. We have 188 people. It will be great if you can write on chat these 4 factors. This will help you to mug up in your mind that these 4 factors are so powerful. Thank you, Kumara ji. Okay. Sales growth, profit growth, only one person has written. Please write all the 4 factors that will help you to keep in mind as well as on your heart. So while you are making your investments, you will be able to invest in these understanding. आप उस समय खोजोगे कि अरे इस कंपनी में तो प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ ही नहीं है, सेल्स ग्रोथ ही नहीं है, इस कंपनी में तो रिटर्न इक्विटी 15 के नीचे है, तो मैं कैसे इन्वेस्ट करूं? Please write full. Okay, we have 189 people. I think this would be asking would be a huge from all 188, but if you can write, this will help you a lot. Thank you, Lavneet ji. Thank you. Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and free cash flow, positive free cash flow. With positive free cash flow, we also look at lower debt, no debt or zero debt. Okay. So now, friends, what happened? हम लोगों ने क्या किया? Now I will show you slide because as you guys have written. So let us come to the slide. So this is the slide. So we call it as quality business score. अभी मैं बताता हूँ quality business score है क्या. So before going to slide, let me come to this. So friends, किसी ने भी एक सवाल नहीं पूछा मुझसे कि आपने ये सेल्स ग्रोथ बताया, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ बताया, रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी बताया, फ्री कैश फ्लो बताया, लेकिन ये कितने दिन के लिए देखना है, कितने साल के लिए देखना है? Nobody has asked this. Would you like to know कि हम लोगों को प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ कितने साल के लिए देखना चाहिए? खाली पिछले साल के लिए देखना चाहिए, 1 साल के लिए देखना चाहिए, 10 साल के लिए देखना चाहिए, 15 साल के लिए देखना चाहिए? What do you think, friend? Okay, few people are guessing it right. I see for okay, you already see that. That's great, sir. So quarter to 5 years. Okay, somebody are from our website only, so they must be knowing the answers. So friends, what we have found that one should look at 5-year history of sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, and free cash flow. This will help you to understand that how was the company in last 5 years. Now, what was the reason behind 5 years? Because there has been too many changes, too many good changes that has happened in financial accounting. So now this 5 year will help you to understand company better. कि कंपनी आज तो बहुत अच्छी प्रॉफिट दिखा रही है, लेकिन 3 साल पहले कंपनी बहुत प्रॉब्लम में थी प्रॉफिट के. तो फ्यूचर में भी कंपनी कैन बिकम अ प्रॉब्लमैटिक, द फाइनेंशियल कैन बिकम प्रॉब्लमैटिक. So friends, what we have done, 4 factors, 5 years. Now 4 factors and 5 years is how much? So it's 20. 4 फैक्टर 5 साल के लिए अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, हर साल 4 फैक्टर अगर देखते हैं हर कंपनी का, तो 20 हो गया, 20 स्कोर. एंड we also see latest quarter result of the company. So quarter में many people may not be knowing कि in quarter you only get profit growth and sales growth. So you get only profit and sales data because you don't have return on equity and free cash flow data. So that is why we take only 2 data of quarterly, that is sales growth and profit growth, that is 2 number, and 4 number for each year, each last 5 years. So 20 plus 2. Now let me show you what is quality business score. So this is how we create quality business score. So we call it as a quality business score. Total is 22. Anybody who did not understood what I was talking? Anybody who did not understood what I was talking? Anybody who did not understood what I was talking? The quality business score. Everybody understood this? Thank you. Hardik ji has understood. How? Okay. Okay. No issue. Okay. Yash Kumar ji has not understood. What is free cash flow? Okay, we'll be explaining that in a brief, but we'll be explaining that. Okay, पहले हम लोग आ जाते हैं कि okay, we'll explain again. No issue. So पहले हम लोग समझते हैं कि सेल्स ग्रोथ क्या है, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ क्या है, और फ्री कैश फ्लो क्या है. So friend, सेल्स ग्रोथ, everybody understand सेल्स ग्रोथ? कि सेल्स ग्रोथ बताता है कि कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट कितना लाइकिंग किया गया है. ओके, अगर yes, I will be explaining. So sales growth, what does sales growth help? Sales growth help, sir, I think the problem is with you, no other people has complained. So Brahma Bhatt ji, please check from your end. Okay, so sales growth बताता है exactly, Praveen ji, sales growth बताता है demand. It says whether people, the normal consumer, are liking product of a company or not. So sales growth provide the liking of general public about that company's product. So sales growth is a direct consumer analysis. You can also say a consumer analysis. So it is very important, without which इसीलिए इसको टॉप लाइन भी कहा जाता है. इसको प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में टॉप लाइन कहा जाता है. ये फर्स्ट लाइन है. अगर सेल्स नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं होगा. इसलिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लुक एट सेल्स ग्रोथ ऑफ अ कंपनी. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट हम लोग डायरेक्टली बीच में कुछ जाते नहीं है, लास्ट वाला देखते हैं. व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ. कंपनी हैज डन ह्यूज सेल्स. लास्ट टाइम 100 करोड़ का सेल्स था, अब की बार 200 करोड़ का सेल्स किया है. लास्ट टाइम प्रॉफिट था 10 करोड़ का, अब की बार प्रॉफिट है 2 करोड़ का. So is that a good company? No, friends. So if sales growth is happening, there should be profit growth. If there is no profit growth, that means the company बीच में कहीं गड़बड़ा दे रही है. क्या क्या गड़बड़ा सकती है? बहुत कुछ है. We are not going in detail, big detail of all those things. Like finance में गड़बड़ा रही है. Company has taken huge loan because of which they are paying huge debt, or they are selling product at lower cost. They are not selling in a good behavior. So what will happen if you do some wrong things? What will happen? Market will punish you anyway. Okay, so sales growth, profit growth. So we have taken two. ये profit and loss account का है. Anybody, any confusion? Now coming to return on equity. Why return on equity? Okay, return on equity is nothing, the amount which we have invested in a company. आप share buy करते हैं, आप पैसे लगाते हैं शेयर में, शेयर बाय करते हैं, वो पैसे कहां जाते हैं? टर्मिनल में नहीं जाते, वो पैसे जाते हैं कंपनी के पास. ठीक है, उतना ही पैसा कंपनी के पास जाता है, वो कंपनी उस पैसे से बिजनेस करती है और उसमें ग्रोथ करती है. दैट इज व्हाई रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी, द इन्वेस्टमेंट व्हिच वी मेक इन अ कंपनी, और कंपनी उससे क्या रिटर्न निकाल गई, दैट इज रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी. सो आज के दिन हम लोग कितना रिटर्न एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं? What is that return we expect out of our investment? At least 15%. 15%, because generally agar if we invest anywhere, we try to, because we are investing in a risky asset, company may fail tomorrow. So if we are investing in risky assets, so we require at least 15% of. So this is at least, you can have 20, 22, 23, anything, but this is at least return on equity. Why few stocks with return on equity 10 are going up now? Because interest rates are very low. So some people are still satisfied with 10. But in average, in India, we require company to have return on equity above 15. Okay, friend. So invest in a company which has return on equity, which can give investor a profit of 15%. Okay, which can grow funds of investor 15%. Okay, Ravi ji, you are great. You have to be God for making those 200. Yeah. So now, what is free cash flow? Now, friends, we are coming, those who does not understand free cash flow, and sorry to say, because most of the people, even in starting, I used to not understand free cash flow. What is free cash flow and what is the benefit of free cash flow? But now, after understanding free cash flow, everything has got crystal clear. Now let me explain you. We have 200 people. Many people may not be knowing what is free cash flow. I will be explaining you in a very simple language. So company has done sales of 1000 crore and profit of 100 crore. Okay, so 1000 crore sales, or take 100 crore sales and 10 crore profit. So company has made 100 crore of sales and 10 crore of profit. Okay, but there's a big but. What company has done, has bought a furniture or a kind of depreciating asset and invested in those, or spend that amount of 10 crore which he had made profit of, say for example 10 crores. So what is the amount of profit left with the customer? Anybody? We have 199 people. There was a sales of 100 crore and profit of 10 crore, but has invested or spended, you can say, Somebody might say, okay, spend who I have taken both the adjective. So spended or invested in a furniture or a machinery. So friends, tell me, what is that profit left with the company? It's zero exactly. Now you might argue with me, or there can be too much discussion on this, that company has invested in furniture or invested in machinery that will help in creating growth and all. That is future. We don't know what will happen. Okay, if there is, if machinery, the company which has purchased or who has purchased machinery, if and for increasing its production, if production, there is no demand, if the production goes fell and like that, so many assumption can be taken. But आज के दिन अगर मेरे पास 100 रुपए हैं, ओके, आज के दिन मेरे पास 100 रुपए हैं, then I am worth 100 rupees. Now if you ask me that do you have 100 rupees? Yes, I have 100 rupees, but that is with my friend. So will it say that 100 rupees is with me? No. So in a similar way, friends, if company does not, so what happened with few companies, they have this behavior of investing. No issue, sir, Sanjay ji, no issue. Yeah. So if you so what happened with the company, what happened if they invest anywhere? So there are some companies every year having, despite having 100 crores 200 crores of profit, they are either spending on machinery, either spending on or anything else. They are not keeping that profit with them. Okay, not keeping that profit in account or accounts. So what happened? That creates free cash flow, negative free cash flow. So any company whose free cash flow is continuously negative, that shows the company is very weak. The company has certain liabilities that it's not been able to fulfill. So friends, these are 4 factors. These are 4 strong factors which help to identify quality stock. Now, what we do, 2000, so for 5 years, we look these factors for last 5 years. So what we do, we check what is the quality of the company. So we get a score. I will quickly show you. 0 is actually not good, but yes, positive is still okay. That means company is somehow not spending too much. So at least it's not negative, Jasmeen ji. So friends, let me show you how does this quality business score look like. So for that, I would mean requiring few stocks name, so that I can show you. So which is the first stock name? So let us take Adani from Jasmeen ji. Adani. Okay, let me check. Let us look at Adani. Maybe if we can take 2-3 more. So friends, this is our website, which is a very good website, a great website. Okay. Sorry, Adani, which stock in Adani? Adani Enterprise or Adani Jasmeen ji? Which stock, or should I take another? Jasmeen ji has written kya? No. So let us take after Adani there was Kaplan Point. So let us take Kaplan Point. So friends, in fact, you guys can search with me. Let me send you this link. Let me send you the link of the website, which is valuestocks.in. So you guys can see what is the quality business score of stocks which you are looking for. So this is one thing which is known as select winning stock with QBS, that is quality business score. If you click on this, so we have 196 people, so you guys can also see with me. So let us check Kaplan Point. So Kaplan Point, we need to write the name of the company. and we need to click on no quality business score of Kaplan Point Laboratory. Okay. Now, what we have given the score as 20. Now, what is this 20 score mean? Out of 22, we have given 20 score. Okay. And it is considered as a great company. There are more 145 companies, friend, which is as great as Kaplan Point. Okay. Now, how did we come to this score of 20? Let me show you that. Okay. So the quarterly EPS growth was greater than 10%. Sales growth was 20%. Now, early last year, it has sales growth of 33%. So it got 1 mark. In quarter, sorry, I did not explain that. So because sales EPS growth was positive, it got 1 mark. Sales growth was positive, it got 1 mark. Sales growth was positive, it got 1 mark. EPS growth was positive, it got 1 mark. But free cash flow was negative in Kaplan Point last year, so we gave it 0. A return on equity was above 15, so we gave it 1. Again, in last year, sales growth was positive, we gave it 1. So you can see all these 4 are 1. So it's got 4 marks. 4 marks. In 2015-16, company was struggling, not struggling, it would be wrong interpretation if I say struggling. There was small negative in sales growth. So it got 0 mark. So this is how company has got 20 marks out of 22 and has been considered as a great company. Yeah. So we are coming, Prakashji, we are coming to that. So friend, this is the one area where quickly you can find what is quality stocks. Did you find it interesting, friends? We'll be showing you that. Anybody who did not understand, we have a group of 187 people now. We'll be showing you that. Okay, did you find it interesting? In only 2 people confirmed that you find it interesting. Praveen ji. So please go to this website valuestocks.in, where you can able to see the score and what do we recommend for the company. So it's very easy. So please, Praveen, you can go to website valuestocks.in and can check the quality of the stock. Why every parameter is given equal weight? Navneet ji is asking why every parameter has been given equal weight. So because every parameter has been given equal weight, because we think that all the parameter is very important to find quality stocks. That is the reason we have given. And see, in financial accounts, each and everything are interrelated. अगर sales बहुत अच्छा है और profit नहीं है, तो आपको जब मैंने स्कोर बनाया तो क्या होगा? अगर मैं खाली सेल्स के ऊपर वेटेज दूं तो व्हाट विल हैपन कि सेल्स तो अच्छा दिखाएगा, लेकिन अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं है तो भी क्या दिखाएगा? ओवरऑल स्कोर विल बी बेटर. So that is the reason we need to give equal weight, and this is giving huge profit to us, huge profit to our customers. Okay, friends? Yeah. So friends, while you will be looking at this website, because this is a paid website, so if you guys must be looking, so you must be looking like this. So just a second. So if we look like, if you again see Kaplan Point, because somebody, many of you may not be a paid client of ours. This is a paid website. So what we are providing you, we are only providing you approx idea what is the quality of that company. So we are providing, while you're not paid, you don't need to log in, you don't need to do anything. You can directly go and search for a stock. It will tell you the stock is greater than 18, because the companies, what we have researched, that any company which has score 18 and above are great stock. Any score which is between 15 and 17 are good stock. Any score between 10 and 14 are moderate stock, and below 9 are poor stock. Okay, so that is the reason we have created this. So for unpaid user, those who have not subscribed with us, they can utilize this. But if you want full of it, then you need to subscribe this app. Okay, now okay, thank you, Sachin. So this is the thing, friend. Now what is next? Let me go some read some chat. How come idea show a poor stock? Harshji, that doesn't mean that any stock which has given you profit will be a great stock. Idea is a poor stock. That is why it is showing poor stocks. Okay, what is the return on equity of idea? Please check and then confirm. Okay, so friend, you may be a little shocked to see some of the stocks which are rising in this rising market scenario. That is how I started my webinar with you all, that it's not important that a stock rising are good stock. It's important that in falling market, the stock should fall less. That is a power of a quality stocks. Okay, great, that can be great, sir. So stock is not good, your luck was good. So luck may not be good every time, but you should have quality stocks every time in your portfolio. Okay, Harshi, so this will help you. Even if the luck is not great at that any point of time, you will enjoy, or you will not repent of investing in poor stock. Okay, friends. So now, so anybody who still not understood what is quality business score? So friends, there are 145 such great stock. Would you like to know what are these 145 stocks? What are these 145 stock? Anybody? So for this, you guys need to come to one-to-one webinar in which we will show you 145 stocks that are doing very well, that has good quality, whose fundamentals are very good, and who has which can create good return in future. Okay, friends. So I will send you link of this free one-to-one training. Okay. So if you guys want to join this free one-to-one training, need to understand how quality stocks work and what are more quality stocks like Kaplan Point, you can check this. Now, before that, after that, I would like to show there were some queries how you can find. So once you subscribe to our website or app, you will get to know, and you can easily, let me log in first because I have logged out. Okay, so now, so once you get subscribed to our website, you can do many things with our website. So what is that next thing you can do? Somebody asks to identify quality stocks and momentum and undervalued stocks. So let us take those stocks which has quality business score above 15, or let us take 18 and above 18. And we have also created something known as alpha generator score. Okay, we have also created something known as alpha generator score. Now what is that alpha generator score? There were some people asking me that, sir, कुछ तो stocks हैं जो बहुत ही अच्छे quality के हैं, like Britannia, ITC, they have score of 22 out of 22. So out of 145 stocks, let me tell you, friends, there are only 12 such stocks which are, because even after having good quality, great quality, they are not giving great return. Okay, now to identify some stocks which has great return and has good quality, what you can do is we have created Alpha Gentus score. Now, what is Alpha Gentus score? What we have done, जैसा मैंने आपको वेबिनार की स्टार्टिंग में कहा था, when I started the webinar, I said that we want to have those companies which fall less in falling market and rises more in rising market. We have 171 people. How will it help you, friend? What do you think? Will it help that if you identify some stocks which fall less in falling market and rise more in rising market, will it help in investing? Only 1% said yes. Manojji, anybody? Yes, 3 people. Exactly. So what will happen? So we need to identify those stocks which fall less in falling market, rises more in rising market. So we have this idea in our mind, but how to implement that idea was a big question in front of us. So what we have created, let me show you what we have created. We have created something known as Alpha Gentus score. So what we do, say for example, I'm taking example, soon we will be showing you, as we are showing Quality Business score, we'll also be showing you Alpha Gentus score in our app. So like example, this is March. So let's take, so what we have done, we have divided 3 months. So Feb to November, or November to Feb, then take so every 3 months, like let's take last 3 months. So what we are doing, we are taking quarterly return, last 3 month return. Okay, last 3 month, sorry, I need to write November to Feb, then before that September, October, November, August to October, and then we have July, March to July. So I'm taking only 3 quarters. Soon we will be adding these dates in our website also. So friends, what we do, I'm showing you only for 3 quarters, Reliance, and say for example Nifty. So we have taken Nifty as a benchmark. So Reliance has given negative return in this period, while Nifty has given negative of 10%. Here in between August to October, Reliance has given 5% positive and Nifty has given 6% positive. And in March to July, say for example, Nifty has given 6% positive and market has given 5% positive. So friends, what we do, we take out this. How much Reliance has outperformed Nifty. So this we do for 20 quarters. Okay. So this is positive. And this is negative. So now in 3 quarters, Reliance has able to stay in positive 2 quarters. So this 3 quarter Alpha Gentus score, 3 quarter Alpha Gentus score. Let me write full. Code is 2/3. Sorry. Okay, so Alpha Gentus score would be 2/3. In a similar way, the Alpha Gentus score for 20 quarter can be 10/3. 20 for, sorry. So there are some companies whose alpha gender score is very weak. So let me show you for ITC first. What is its alpha gender score? And when one should buy ITC? I will also tell you that. So let's open ITC. So any good company which has great quality business score and is not rising, it's Nifty 50, sir. Yeah. So, yeah. So alpha gender score, you can say, see friend, 3 quarter is 0 and 20 quarter is 7. Okay. We update it monthly. हर महीने हम लोग उसको update करते हैं. So it's very poor. So what happened, friends? You should not invest in any company which is high QBS but is lacking in alpha gender score. So some of you may be having query on quality. So it's not like that, friend. अब इसको कब invest करना है? When you need to invest in ITC, when you will see that the score is becoming 2/3. That means out of 3 quarter, this company is now able to do better than benchmark. Okay, that is the area you can slowly, gradually invest in ITC, and ITC will give you great return from that point of time. Are you understanding, friend? Yeah, for 3 quarter, you should have 2 quarter positive. For 20 quarter, 10 quarter positive is a good sign to invest. And it's better if you can take 11. So friends, we have made a tool in such a way, we have added these features in our stock screener. Would you like to check our stock screener, in which we can see 3, bolte na Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. There's a kind of, sorry, going to becoming so mythological, but it is like that only. That fundamental, technical and valuation. Fundamental analysis, price and valuation. So it is like a Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh of stock market. So anybody would like to see stocks which are fundamentally good, technically strong, and valuation wise they are undervalued. How many people? Only 4. No, only 4 people will not make me happy. 5, 6. Okay, thank you for confirming that you all are there. Huh? Thank you. So let us see if we can use these 3 fundamental these 3 factors. So let us take companies above 15. That score is above 15. Alpha gender score for 20 quarter is above 11. Would you like to see for companies 20 quarter, which is more stable, or you want to see 3 quarter, which is like more recent? What should I show you? Because I will be showing you only one. Next, you can see, no issue, but you need to come to that one-to-one webinar to see. Okay, I'm getting for 20 quarters. So 4 people for 20 quarters, 20 quarters. So let us go for 20 quarters only. So companies greater than AGS score should be greater than 11, and valuation should be undervalued. So very simple way, friends, you can identify quality, momentum and valuation with our app. Now you can see these 3 filters we have added. Any confusion, friend? Quality business score above 15, 20 quarter 11, greater than equals to 11, and undervalued. So let us see whether there is, what do you think, how much stock should be there? Let me have a guess on chat. Okay, 100. Lavneet ji, if you want to understand undervalued, you need to join one-to-one webinar. I think that then only we can explain you, because it will take a long time to make everyone understand about undervaluation, and there may be too many queries on undervaluation. Okay, some are writing 10, some are writing 12, some are writing 4, 5, 15. So let's, because even I don't know, because these logics come from you guys while we are discussing, so it's such an important topic to you all. So let us see whether then, yeah, there's 40 stocks exist in this category. So you can check, friends, what are these stocks. And 1 year return is 64%. That's huge. If you see 3 year return is 33, sorry, 6 month return is 33, 3 month return is 14%. Amazing return. So let's see what are these stocks which has valuation, good valuation, has good quality, and has good hit alpha genter score. You can do, sir. You can do, Frajana ji. You can check for large cap, only for large cap, only for mid cap, and only for small cap. So we have around 400 filters over here. Like as you asked, so we have large cap, mid cap, small cap. So even you can even select this. So for the for time, so that is the reason I'm asking you guys to join that one-to-one webinar, because it will help you in a big way. So now, friends, these are some of the stocks. Okay, APL Apollo, Aarti Drugs, Mastech, Muthoot Finance, Advanced Enzyme, KNR Construction, Coforge, HCL Tech, Dhanuka Agritech, FDC, Ultratech Cement, Emphasis, GSPL, Wipro. We update all the results as they come. तो जैसे ही result आती है, we update that in maximum 2 days, 48 hours. So that is our beauty. So now you have a report card ready on your hand for your investment. So friends, I think you guys have liked it, or can I have some comments there whether you like the session? Did you like the app? Okay. Yeah. See what AGS, because there can be a scenario in which the company has listed recently. So Advanced Enzyme, I have taken hit ratio for 11 only. Advanced Enzyme maybe yeah, because Advanced Enzyme has, let me just check. It is, yeah, there was only 18 things, 18 data available for Advanced Enzyme because it was not listed earlier. So actually the hit ratio, so we have taken as per the hit ratio. Okay, so it is correct. FDC has recently listed. So if the data is low, it will automatically give you those companies as per the hit ratio. So the hit ratio we have taken is 11 by 22 to 11 by 20. That is 55%. So in 55, any company which is in 55%, it will take that. Okay. No, I think there is some issue. Just a minute. With professors, we have taken alpha genter score greater than. Okay, I'm taking hit ratios. Very sorry for that. Very sorry. I need to take 11 of this alpha genter score. Okay, very sorry. So yeah, 22 stocks, friends. Very sorry. I have taken hit ratio. Very sorry for that. 11% is the hit ratio. So these are some stocks. These are the stocks which are undervalued and having alpha genter score above 11 and has QBS greater than 15. So there's quality, there is momentum, there is valuation. So these stocks are APL Apollo, Mastech, Muthoot Finance, KNR Construction, Coforge, HCL Tech, Emphasis, GSPL, HDFC Bank, Tata Chemical, Bharat Rasayan, Supreme Petro, EPL, SL Propack, Coromandel, KEC, Radico Khaitan, Mannapuram, Mahanagar Gas, Kaplan Pond, Tech Mahindra, Petronet, and PFC. So these are some of the stocks which are doing very well. Yes, you can check, Praveen ji, without registering to value stocks, but I will highly recommend you to please register to value stocks. This will help you a lot. Friends, you guys are missing a great run on stock market, okay, because of the fear of fall. So I would request, we are having 150 people right now on chat who are listening to me. I will recommend everyone to have value stocks in your life. Subscribe for value stocks. It will help you in your investment. Let me give you one more very good understanding about stock market. Okay, I'm repeating this again and again to everyone. Why you need to invest in stock market and why you need to invest in quality stock. Would you like to know why do you need to invest in quality stocks? Anybody who would like to know why you need to invest in stock market and why you need to invest in quality stocks only? Only one person, Manoj ji, no one else. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. For compounding our wealth. That's great. Good CAGR, we got to grow our money. Are we really growing our money, Yogesh ji? What is stopping us to grow our money? The volatility is stopping us to grow our money. Friends, volatility is a big reason why we are not being able to grow our money. Ravi ji, those who are asking individual stocks, I would request them to go to valuestocks.in and check about their companies. They will get to know everything. I am not going to say anything else other than what website is showing. Okay. There may be any corporate action, sir. So that is why that stock has fallen so much. Okay. So please check with your broker. Vivo. Anybody who has written Vivo 91906. So friends, quality stocks में invest करिए और क्यों invest करिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ. Because see friends, this is example I'm giving everyone that there are only, stock market is a race in which stock market has invited 100 people to participate in this race. 100 people are being invited to participate in this race, and there would be and the top 20 will get prize. Okay, and the coincidence is there are only 20 people who has participated in the race. So friends, can I have an answer? How many people? What do you think? How many people will get prize? किन लोगों को प्राइज मिलेगा? Stock market is a race in which 100 people are invited, and the top 20 runner up will be getting prizes. ठीक है? First 20 को prize मिलेगा, and the situation is such that only 20 people has came. So what do you think? How many people will get prize? All will get prize. So friends, हम लोग सबको प्राइज मिलेगा बिकॉज इंडिया की कितनी आबादी तो इन्वेस्ट करती ही नहीं है. नाउ इस 20 में से भी सिर्फ 15 लोगों को ही या 10 लोगों को ही प्राइज मिल रहा है. पता है आपको क्यों? एनीबडी कैन गेस? In these 20 people who has joined the race, but still only 50% are getting that benefit. Why? 80% तो पहले रेस ही नहीं ज्वाइन किया. जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया उनमें से भी 50% ही मिल रहे हैं. Yes, quit too soon. That's true. So why they quit now? Because they invest in wrong stock. कचरा stocks में invest करते हैं. And while running in the race, somebody goes right, 5% will go right, 5% will go left. And 10 जो बच जाते हैं, they complete the race and win the run. So friends, so आपको right direction, value stocks is a place which will show you right direction. So that is the reason I would request you all to join value stocks. It's a great app. It's not because I'm associated or to this app, but it is helping lots and lots of people in their investment. It's a greatest idea for investment. So friends, I'm sending you this link. Please join this one-to-one webinar. my friend who is in sales, who is looking after sales, my colleague who is looking after sales, he will guide you more about our product, explain you more about our product, and will help you in your investment journey. Okay friends, so 130 log hain, they may think of subscribing or joining this one-to-one. Thank you Amit ji, thank you for joining one-to-one webinar, booking one-to-one webinar. Okay, and okay, now sorry, I may have missed many of the queries, very sorry for that, but I'm confirming you friend, your all queries will get resolved when you join one-to-one webinar. So please don't get angry on me. And now I would request you to send send your feedback or write your feedback. How did you like the session? If you can write some feedback. Thank you Manoj ji. Why PSU stocks are bad? PSU stocks are bad sir. इतनी गड़बड़ी कर दी, सबको गलत गलत लोन दे रहे हैं. अब वो PSU स्टॉक्स अच्छे कैसे हैं? बस प्राइस बढ़ रहे हैं, उसके बेसिस पे अच्छे बोलना गलत हो जाएगी. तो इसीलिए PSU स्टॉक्स गलत हैं सर. They are not giving good return to investors. They are trapping investors. That is why it's poor. So अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं तो बहुत कॉशियसली इन्वेस्ट करिए इन PSU स्टॉक्स. थैंक यू राजगोपालन जी. Training not qualitative for traders. Thank you, thank you. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for joining. Yeah, thank you Rajveer, thank you.